Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am bringing you part 2 of our Python string formatting series. In part 1, we explored the basics of string formatting, including percent formatting, str.format, f-strings, and template strings. Today, we are focusing exclusively on f-strings, the modern, super powerful way to format strings, and decimal formatting to display numbers like prices, percentage, or scientific data with precision. We will cover how to align text, pad strings, and format decimals with tons of code examples. So open your code editor and get started. Let's start with spacing and alignment using f-strings. F-strings let you control the width and alignment of text or numbers with simple format specifiers like greater than, less than, and caret. Here's how to create a neat table. So let's assume that you are developing a game and you are designing items. Let's define the first item. First item equals golden sword, and second item equals diamond sword. And let's define their damage to the enemy. So let's define damage first equals 8 and damage second equals 5. We are done with it. Now let's print them. But be careful here, we will use aligning. So print f using f strings. Name, it's the name of the item. Curly braces, if you remember. First item, colon greater than 10. So colon greater than 10 right aligns the name in a 10 character field. Damage, let's print damage 2. So damage first, colon greater than 5. And close this one. This colon greater than 5 right aligns the damage. So this right aligns the item name and this right aligns the damage. This one in a 10 character field and this one in a 5 character field. And do the same for the second item. So just copy it and on the next line change this to second item damage second. And let's run and see the results. As you can see, it prints out golden sword and damage 8, diamond sword and damage 5. You can also left align with colon less than or center with colon caret. So let's try this. Change this to less than, this one too, and print it again. As you can see, now they are left aligned, so spaces here are removed. Also, let's try this. Let's try this one, colon, caret, and let's copy it here. And you run this. You can see now they are aligned to the center. If you want to get fancy, you can use a custom field character like an asterisk or 0. So let's use an asterisk just after the colon, write it. Okay, let's use it. Since the size is less than, I will increase it a bit and run it again. As you can see, it says golden sword and diamond sword. So it fills rest of it with asterisks. Can also fill this one with 0. So it will get printed out like this. So damage 00800 and 00500. The asterisk and 0 replace spaces, great for visual player in reports or dashboards. Now let's dive into decimal formatting with f-strings, perfect for prices, percentage, or scientific data. F-string use format specifiers like .nf or percent and e to control how decimals are displayed. Let's start with controlling decimal places. So type price equals 123 from 49. Let's print this price. So f string price equals. Now curly braces to print variable, price, colon, be careful here, dot 2f, dot 2f. So dot 2f shows two decimal places. If we print it like this one, it says price $123.46. So it's okay. But if we print it like this, it outputs all of the decimal places. So I don't want that. And if you do something like this, it won't change anything. You have to write a dot. As you can see, it outputs in two decimal places. If you write something like this, dot 4f, it shows four decimal places. And if you print it like this with 0, it shows 0 decimal place and no decimal place at all. Dot 0f rounds to $123. The F stands for fixed point notation. Let's add 1000 separators for big numbers. So let's say you have a revenue of something like this. And you want to print it, print F revenue in curly braces revenue. You will just add a comma before dot 2f. So it will print out in two decimal places and with 1000 separator. So 2f and let's print it. As you can see, I can read it more clearly and so it makes large numbers readable. Now let's format percentage and let's remove this. Say discount equals 0.175 and score equals 0.856. And let's print f discount dot 1%. The percent specifier multiplies by 100 and adds a percent sign. First print discount. It prints in one decimal place and print score in two decimal places. It prints 17.5%. So for scientific data, we will use scientific notation. This one is for percentage and probabilities. Now we will see how we can use it for scientific data. So let's define small number equals 0.00012345 and 6. And let's print it with f string. Small value say and small number dot 2. This controls the decimal places and just write E. So it will print in scientific format. If you remember. 1.23 times 10 to the minus 4. It's in scientific format. Now let's combine what we have learned so far. Let's print revenue again. So first define revenue and equals something like this, a big number, and print revenue dollar sign and inside curly braces revenue colon greater than 12 comma separator dot 2f. So it will write a line with 1000 separator and with two decimal points and close it. And let's print something like this, bonus 0.15 colon asterisk caret and 8.1, of course with percent. So asterisk caret 8 is align and pad, while dot 1% is used for formatting the decimals. This is perfect for financial reports or data tables. Let's close the curly brace and print it. As you can see, it prints out revenue and bonus like this. So everyone, we are done with our Python string formatting series. Now you can use f-strings for spacing, alignment, and decimal formatting, ready to create stunning tables and precise number outputs. Try this in your projects and please drop a comment to let us know if you face any problems. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.